Hi friends, thanks so much for stopping by today. In today's video, I will be rearranging my family room. I have grown a little bit tired with this room, and whenever I feel that way about a space, I find that rearranging it, changing out the layout of the furniture, really helps to refresh the space and gets me excited about it again. So that is what I will be doing today, and I'm taking you along with me. If any of you can relate to this, give this video a thumbs up, and let's just get right into it. Before I get started, let me give you a quick tour of the room, especially for those of you who are new. So I do have a sectional in this space, and my plans are to keep it as a sectional. I'm not going to separate it, but I'm just going to shift it 90 degrees. So this part of the sectional will be against that wall, and then the longer part will be where the shorter part is right now, if that makes any sense. And then the two side chairs that I have over here, I will place those either in front of my fireplace, or if it will work, I will put them over here once I move the sectional. The ottoman will probably stay pretty much where it's at. It'll just be relative to the sectional, of course. And then I'm thinking I want to move this table. I may move it upstairs to my room. I haven't decided yet, but that's pretty much what I plan to do. And then for the side table, or the sofa table I have behind the couch, I plan to keep it behind the couch, but of course once I shift it, it will then be, once I shift the couch that is, the table will then be on the back of the couch over here, but I'll have to move the couch closer to the fireplace wall. I don't know, you guys are coming along with me, so we'll see how this all evolves. And to move the furniture, I'm just using these furniture sliders. I have talked about these before, but they are a tremendous help in moving heavy items. They look like this, so it's just simply a plastic disc, and it has like this foam padding on one side. So you just put the legs of the furniture item on the discs, and you're able to slide the furniture right across the floor. It's so easy. Whenever I am redecorating a room or changing the layout, the first thing I like to do is clear the room of pretty much everything. Get the room as empty as possible. So that is what I'm doing here. I'm clearing out any clutter, taking out all of the decor. I'm going to wash these blankets that we keep on our couch because they're due for a washing. But just getting everything out of the room really gives me a blank canvas to work with, and I can visualize so much better how I want to decorate, where I want to place things, and I just find it especially helpful when I am rearranging furniture.
I was worried you blow my reputation, but I figured it's not on me. Yeah. The way you're making me shiver, your hands on myself, I keep pulling the trigger, alright. This very finger for people like them. Oh no. Well, darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good.
Now that I have a blank slate to work with, I'm going to proceed with moving the furniture. But I first need to clear a path for the couch, so I'm going to move the two side chairs first. I'll get those out of the way, and also the mirrored table, I'll move that out of the way. But I put all of my decor on my Nook table behind me here, so that is looking pretty cluttered at the moment, but that will change. And if you have any questions as to where anything is from, definitely leave those questions in the comments below.
surround me like a borderline. Our fortress in the
These discs make moving the furniture so much easier. I'm able to just glide the couch across the floor, and this couch is actually quite heavy. But to remove those indentations made in the carpet, I will put a bunch of ice cubes over the indentation and just let them sit there for several hours, let them melt, and let the water just absorb into the fibers. And as it's absorbing, it kind of lifts the fibers, and then I'll go ahead and kind of rake through the fibers. Well, after blotting up the dampness, I'll rake through with my hand, or you could use, like, I don't know, a comb or a spoon, something to just lift those fibers, and it really does work. I'm thinking I'll lift up the rug and swap it the other direction, because this is the long end, and now that I've turned the couch 90 degrees, I want it to line up with the long end of the couch. So I'll probably swap out the rug. Eventually I would love to replace this rug, but that is going to have to wait for another day. And then the two chairs, I think they'll look best in front of the fireplace. I don't know, let me know what you guys think, but that's the plan. So I'm gonna shift them in front of the fireplace, and then the ottoman, of course, is gonna stay there. The light, I haven't decided exactly where I'm going to put that. I may just move it closer to the couch and have it kind of in that area next to the couch on that side. And then this sofa table, I was thinking I was going to put it behind the couch here, but I put it against the stair wall, and I think I like that better. So I'll probably leave that there. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, it's coming along.
lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and
Okay, so I have the sectional placed where I want it finally. I'm kind of out of breath here from shifting it to the left, to the right, just to get it just right. But I ended up centering it to the windows. So I used the windows on this wall as my guide to center it in the room, and I think that worked out pretty well. And now I just need to dust everything, and then I will go ahead and add all the decor. have so much fun decorating this table. I love the alternating shelves. It's just fun to play with different decor styles on the shelves, and I get a lot of questions as to where this table is from. It is from Overstock, and I will link it down in the description box for anyone who's interested. But if you have questions, again, as to where anything is from, definitely let me know and I am happy to respond. Okay, so the room is complete. I have to say, I really like this layout, and it reminds me why I had it this way when we first got the sectional. So I just feel like it really opens up the space, and seeing the family room from the kitchen, it's just a wide open view and it just looks so much more welcoming, and it's just nice to change things up every now and then. I can't guarantee I will keep it this way for I don't know how long, but we will see. I know I'll eventually add in pops of color with pillows, but for now I just like how tranquil and just calming all these neutral colors are. That's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.